Hi guys, it's X. Welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be making a home healthy meal, and I was inspired by the chicken chipotle bowls, but instead of cilantro lime rice, I'm going to be making it with quinoa. I have pinto beans, chicken, lime, the cilantro I'm going to cut fresh from my garden because I've been growing it. And then I wanted to try this salsa, so obviously I don't know what is in the Chipotle salsa, and I am meal prepping for work, so let's get cooking. The last thing I'm going to add is this shredded, well, the last couple things that I'm going to add is shredded mozzarella cheese. So when I go to Chipotle, I always get either a bowl or burrito, but I get the cilantro lime rice, pinto beans, chicken, sour cream, and then the red sauce. That's literally kind of all I put in my burrito. So this is what inspired this meal. And so now I'm just going to, sorry, did I say I put sour cream in the red sauce? So I'm gonna get some sour cream. I think I'm not gonna put it in the meal prep. I'm gonna put, for the meal prep, I will put it in here because when I go to work and rewarm these, like, I don't want the sour cream to get funky. So I'm just gonna scoop some in here for the work for meal prep, and then I'll just put it on the one I'm eating for lunch today. And then I tried this red salsa and I really liked it, so we'll see if it's incomparable to. All right, so I'm just gonna sprinkle some of this salsa over. One time I was at work and there was a dietitian there, and I was like, girl, put me on a diet, like I need to lose weight. And she was like, just invest in a really good sauce. That was her advice to me. She's like, you can have the same food almost every day as long as you have a really good sauce to change things up with. And I was like, sounds good. Okay, so I've made a plate So this is what it looks like. All right, let's taste it. Grab a little bit of everything. The quinoa smelled really good when I pulled it out of the rice cooker. That's really good. Let me know if you guys make this recipe at home and if you like it. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. See you on the next one.